Welcome to our Print Pulse tutorial video. The Print Pulse is our platform's stock research page. In this video, we'll explore each feature, as well as how to put them to use in active trade setups. The information on these videos, blogs, and platform are for educational purposes only and do not constitute trade or financial advice. Now would be a good time to mention that our scanner isn't a short squeeze scanner. While it's possible that our scanner occasionally picks up those types of trade setups, it wasn't designed to detect or anticipate short squeezes. It's also important to note that our scanner may also pick up squeezes in a bearish direction. So, it'll be important to make sure to do your research and use proper risk management strategies. The Print Pulse research page has three main features: the historical print overlay, the price chart, and the news and sentiment. As we mentioned, squeezes can be bullish or they can be bearish. If you're looking for bullish setups, you'll want to see a high squeeze score, decreasing short positioning, longer days for shorts to cover, and a high dark pool percentage. A high squeeze score would indicate unusually high dark volume, and a high dark pool percentage would indicate discretion and urgency. For short volume dynamics, you want a ticker that initially had a high short interest, but that it's decreasing from short covering, and the longer it takes for shorts to get out, the better for trapping them in a potential catalyst-driven squeeze type of trading setup. If you're looking for bearish setups, then you would look for net buying to be negative, with increasing short volume. Below these volumetrics is a historical print overlaid on price reaction. When you see a large volume spike, check your charts for bullish or bearish lean. Wait for an entry on a lower time frame. Get in earlier than retail traders. Set a stop loss and ride the wave. It's important to mention that price will sometimes have an opposite initial reaction to a bullish dark pool score. You ever wondered why massive institutional buying can trigger an initial stock price dip before surging higher? It's all about market makers and delta hedging. When that net positive dark pool trade hits the tape, market makers, hedging their short call options exposure, may initially sell shares on the lit exchange to neutralize delta risk. This short-term selling pressure pushes the price down temporarily. But as the huge buy volume floods in, this attracts more buyers and forces market makers to buy back shares to rebalance hedging. This causes the momentum to finally flip, driving the stock price up. Below this, we have a convenient TradingView price chart. It's loaded with common indicators by default, but you can change them in the Options button at the top near the ticker name, and choose other indicators like Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels. Please note that you can only have a maximum of 2 indicators at a time on this free chart widget. By default, we have the chart set to the daily time frame, but you can also change this by either clicking the time frame icon here, or simply typing a number for intraday timeframes, or by entering the letter D for daily, or the letter W for weekly. For these oscillators, you'll want them above the 0 line for bullish setups, or below for bearish setups. Then, if you want to learn more about the stock, you can find more information in the menu icon here at the top of the chart. Pairing these indicators with the alerts we get from our leaderboard has presented us many early trading opportunities. As a reminder, for bullish setups, you'll want the oscillators above the 0 horizon line, and price candles trading above the 50 daily EMA, and the opposite for bearish setups. Below this, we have our AI-powered news and sentiment. You'll see 5 of the most recent articles listed. In some cases, the news articles will not be recent, but this will be because there have not been recent press releases. The AI sentiment analysis provides a quick summary of the article, whether the articles had a bullish or bearish lean, and any dark pool prints that followed the press release. Our sentiment algorithm has a plurality mechanism, like a tiebreaker. For our AI to generate a meaningful sentiment calculation, we left this algorithm in place to give us hints about stock liquidity. That's it for the Print Pulse. Please visit our tutorials page for more videos. Thanks for watching.